Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Hope student you are all well and safe at your home. Student, uh, today I will start your chapter number second. Hope you have all completed the chapter number 1 in your notebook copy. The chapter number 1 is food and chapter number 2 is the nutrition in animals and human beings. Okay student, so open the your science book and open chapter number 2. Okay student, class 7, subject science, sub-subject is biology. I am taking you biology and today your topic is chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. Nutrition in animals, and humans. Okay student, you have already learned in the first chapter food, the modes of nutrition of food. Okay, autotrophic, heterotrophic. In heterotrophic there are 3 types: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. And what is the nitrogen cycle? And in this chapter student, we will discuss about the modes of procuring food. Modes of procuring food. Okay, modes of procuring food. Process of nutrition. And so many their topics in this chapter: process of nutrition and teeth in human being, okay, and some other like care of teeth. This is also oral hygiene. Okay student, and the human digestive system. Okay, and the process of nutrition in animals. Process of nutrition in animals means that is a human being. And digestion in grass eating. And in digestion in amoeba, and feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Okay, so there are other small topics are included in this chapter, but the main topics of this chapter are modes of procuring food. After procuring food, the process of nutrition and teeth in human beings. Before starting the digestive system, it is very important knowing the types of teeth and what is the structure of teeth and what is the function of the teeth. Then what is the oral hygiene, how we do proper care of our teeth. After that, starting the human digestive system. Okay, and what is the process of nutrition in animals? Means process, moves of process of nutrition, 5 process. Okay, we will discuss after completing the modes of procuring and these teeth of human being, care of teeth in the human digestive system. 5 process: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Okay. Then process of nutrition animals. Then digestion in grass eating animals. Grass eating animals also called, student, ruminants. And the what is the steps in the digestion in amoeba? 5 steps: feeding and digestion in amoeba. So student, let us start to discuss about the modes of procuring food. I will erase all other topics. Student, in previous chapter you have learned the food, the types of food, and the types of food, and what is the nitrogen cycle. But in this chapter we will discuss what is the method to taking food in the mouth. This is called procure. So student, there are a lot number of the animals or organism are live in our surrounding. So student, different organism use different procuring methods of procuring the food. So different organisms have different methods of procure food. So each animal has special organs, special structure. So each animals have special structure. What structure means? Organs on its body to procure the food. Okay. So student, procuring means taking food by the special organs. So there are different kinds of the organisms live in our surrounding, and the feeding is different methods. Some are taking the liquid food, some are taking the solid food. Student, as you know, the mosquitoes, houseflies, butterflies, these types of insects or organism taking their food in the liquid form, not in the solid form. Okay student. So student, mosquito, butterfly and housefly, mosquito, butterfly, housefly, these are taking the liquid food. How they take their food? By student, by feeding tube. Feeding tube, proboscis. Just like the trunk in their mouth, they pick their trunk inside their host, also called feeding tube, proboscis, feeding tube. Okay student. And in amoeba, you know student, this is the amoeba structure. Amoeba, this is called the false pig, also called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, this is the amoeba. Vacuole, nucleus, cytoplasm, pseudopodia. So in amoeba they take their feed with the help of pseudopodia. They capture their food particles with the help of pseudopodia and engulf inside their body. And in some small unicellular organism like paramecium, they take their food particles from a finger-like or hair-like structure are found on their body surface. Suppose this is the paramecium, this is cilia. Hair-like structure are found in their body surface. So they take their food particles from their cilia. Okay student, cilia, and engulf the food particles inside their body. And student, human being, how take their food in their mouth? With the help of their hands. Okay, they use their hands. And student, frog uses the tongue, T-O-N-G, sticky tongue to catch their prey. Tongue to catch their prey. And in hydra have tentacles. Suppose this is the hydra. This is called tentacles. In tentacles, they are spiny in nature, and they prick their food items and catch their prey and engulf their body. So student, hydra have the tentacles, and the tentacles have the spines present on their tentacles. Okay student, and you know student, butterfly, housefly, and mosquito take their food by the help of feeding tubes. Okay, and spider, we have already seen in your houses. Spider wave around the centers of the body centers, and they catch their prey inside the web. Okay student, waves around it to catch its prey. Waves around the body and catch their prey. In which organism? Spider. Okay student, so there are many procuring organisms are found in different organisms. By that they take their food inside the mouth, and after that the digestion will be stopped. Before the studying of the digestion, there are so many topics which is very necessary to know about, such as the what is the process in nutrition. What is the process in nutrition? So write down the process of nutrition. Okay, student, in your rough, because practice makes the man perfect. When you practice in your online classes and when you will be read at home your textbook, this will help for learning and by understanding what is the topic saying. Now student, process of nutrition. Second, process of nutrition. Student, in this process, it is complete process by taking the food and digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. So there are 5 main steps are involved in the process of nutrition. Ingestion, first ingestion. Okay student, and second digestion. Okay, and third absorption. Absorption. Fourth assimilation. And fifth digestion. Don't be panic. Student, listen very carefully. Ingestion means taking up the food. What is the procuring method? This is different to organism to organism. For taking the food in the mouth and chew and cut the food, this is called the ingestion. Ingestion means taking the food inside the mouth. And student, this is takes place through the mouth. Takes place through mouth. What is done in mouth? Student, in mouth, their tongue, their saliva, their teeth, they chewed the and masticated the food in the soluble, in the very smaller form, and convert the starch into the sugar. And convert the starch into the sugar. And digestion start in stomach. Okay, in digestion the food are broken down into the simpler form, means food broken down in simpler form and also in the soluble form. Student, it is not easy to digest the food particles direct to in our body and also not provide direct energy from the food. First they are break down inside our stomach and in soluble form. After that they are absorbed by our blood and passes through the different parts of the organs, because our organs make our body. So absorption is very necessary. And assimilation means after the absorption of the soluble food, and they provide energy to our body. They provide energy for growth and development, for getting energy. Student, the process of soluble food. Soluble food absorbed by small intestine. Small intestine. You know, this is the end of the digestion in small intestine. Student, in small intestine, inside their small intestine in their body, their finger-like projection. Finger-like projection, that is called villi, villi, which is responsible for the absorption of the soluble food, simpler food. So student, absorption takes place in the small intestine. Okay, what is assimilation? Assimilation means the after absorption of the soluble food, they provide energy to your body for growth and different kind of the activities in our daily life. So energy, producing energy for which purpose? Growth, and doing different types of work. After that, ingestion means undigested food which are not digested by our small intestine, large intestine. They passes into the rectum, where they are stored and thrown out by the anus outside to the body. Okay student, called undigested food material, undigested food materials thrown out by anus. So your digestion start from mouth to anus. So there are many organs are involved in your digestive system. Okay student, so it is very essential to know what is the process of nutrition. Mainly 5 process in all organism. Some very unicellular organism have only 4, but in the human being and other organism have the 5. First, learn this: ingestion, second digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, and fifth egestion. Okay student, do it, write down in your rough copy. Okay student, so what is the process of nutrition? Means there are so many steps, generally broken down of the complex food into the simpler form, into the very simpler form, and last into soluble form, because only soluble form of the food will absorb by your blood. Okay student, then after absorption, food provide energy, and undigested food materials will thrown out by your body via anus. So this is the process of nutrition. Okay student, now what is the, before the starting the topic, what is the digestive system, what is digestion in a human being, it is very essential to know about your teeth. In previous classes, this is started in class 4, because I am also taking the class 4, 5th, 6th, and this is start in class 4th student. There are 4 types of teeth. Don't go deeply. We will discuss after completing. There are some oral questions are given in your textbook after the completing the process of nutrition. So open, I am also taking the book for reading the question of oral question. Open the page number 16. Student, generally in your textbook there are some main points are given after the completing of the each topics in the blue color. That is so know you know, means what you know about that particular topic. So this is very important points to read and learn. And there are some oral question that is given on page number 16. Page number 16. Okay. Okay student, I will complete this. Now write down the answer in the front of the question with the help of pencil. Take the pencil and eraser. Don't write in your rough copy. You can write down direct in the book. Oral question. Page number 16. Question first. Name the structure used by butterfly to procure food. Student, butterfly, housefly and mosquito have the feeding tube. Write down the answer is feeding tube. Feeding tube. Second, name the structure used by amoeba to procure food. Student, false feet, also called pseudopodia. P-S-E-U-D-O, pseudopodia. In pronunciation, P is silent. So the spelling is P-S-E-U, pseudopodia. Third, name an organism which lives on liquid food. Student, housefly, butterfly, mosquito, they take their food in the liquid form. So write down only one. You can write down the butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly or mosquito or housefly. You can write down anyone. Butterfly. And student, fourth, in which part of the human body the absorption takes place? You know, absorption takes place in small intestine. Small intestine. Write down. Small intestine. Now student, the next topic I will be discussed in your next class, because it is not possible to complete this teeth and human beings. So write down the today's homework. Science. In science, your biology section. Read different procuring method. First, second, learn steps of process of nutrition. Okay. Read different procuring method of food. So They are different procuring method in different organism. Okay. And second, learn steps of process of nutrition with definition. Small points definition means what is the in the steps. Suppose ingestion, digestion. What are the main tips for learning? Read very carefully with the help of your textbook. Hope student you are all cooperate to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Write down the homework. Okay student. Thank you once again.